This segment is sponsored by Tri-State Restorations.
Tri-State Restorations has been helping families and businesses right here in the DMV for over 25 years. We are joined now by the owner and CEO, Mark Wilson. Wonderful to have you here with us.
Thank you. Good to see you.
I want to start with the fact that you guys are on call 24/7, and I really want to talk about this because when somebody calls and they've had a disaster in their home, whether it's flooding or a burst pipe of some sort, someone from your team answers the phone, not a call center, someone from your team.
Correct. Yeah, when somebody's experiencing a disaster, it's definitely a hardship. It's an emergency. People are frantic. Time is money, and people want this cleaned up. So yeah, we have somebody always on call within our company that when you have a disaster, you call in, you press 1 if it's after hours, and a live team member answers the phone. And what's great about that is you're not getting a scripted answering service. You're getting a professional team member who can answer higher level questions and help you through your loss.
Yeah, because these are high stress situations, sensitive situations. When these things happen, they really disrupt families, businesses, and homes.
Absolutely.
So to get answers right away, that's so important. What sets your team apart from everyone else in these high stress and sensitive situations?
Well, a big part of it is a continuity. So having a team that's been with you for several years like we've had. We've been in business since 2007, and we definitely have a team that's been with us many, many years. And then training, continuous training as the industry evolves with different things, insurance, restoration in general. You always have to have up-to-date training. And so we're always striving to do that.
So walk us through the whole process when your team comes in and kind of what sets you apart in that restoration process.
Again, acting quickly. So the call to action, somebody's calling us, you're reaching a live team member. You're sending out qualified, trained individuals, and then they're caring. So they're going to protect your home and your assets and valuables. And just the equipment and the whole process going through start to finish. We're able to answer questions on the fly. We're not using subcontractors. These are real people, real employees employed with the company that have the knowledge to, turn your disaster into peace of mind.
Yeah. Your company is family owned, locally operated.
Yes.
Talk about how important that is to you as a business operator here in the DMV and how that really helps when you're responding to these emergencies.
Absolutely. So we're very connected with the community. I grew up in the community from the area. My wife and I have 6 kids together, so we've built our business with our kids and the family, and that allows us to have a more intimate experience with our customers and have a lot more empathy for what they're going through, I think.
Yeah, well, it's so important to trust a local company and to get those answers right away when sometimes you're in the worst situation in your home or business. How can people get a hold of you?
There's many different ways, but just calling our 800 number is the direct way. Social media, we have a website, we have live chat. There's just various ways to reach us.
Tri-State Restorations. Mark, so great to see you.
Thank you.